All right, we're gonna try the whole thing. Okay, so come up with the possible or propose the structure of this compound. So this compound has a molecular ion peak, a mass per charge of 58. Okay, we used rule 13 earlier to get the best formula of C4H10. Okay, all right. You also have the an IR spectrum of this compound. Look like that. Okay, and then you have to come up with the structure of this compound, possible structure. All right. First off, I'm going to adjust the base formula, right? So right now we have C4H10. Okay, the OU of this is 0, so the possibility is just that or that. Okay, if you want to add oxygen, if you remember, you have to subtract the same mass. Oxygen is 16. What's 16? So 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Okay, so C3H6 and O. That's the OU of 1. All right, and possible structure, you're gonna have the an acetone like that, a ketone, an aldehyde. Do not propose an unstable species like enol. Okay, they are not stable. They're tautomerized to a ketone. Okay, all right, if you want to play with it, so you can add one more oxygen, C2H2O2, this DOU of 2, and now the structure is gonna kind of weird now. 2 double bond or 1 double bond, 1 ring. You don't have a lot of carbon to play with. Okay, you can add nitrogen, subtract CH2, you get C3H8 and N. This one DOU of 5, highly unlikely. You can add another nitrogen into it, C2H6 and N2. You can play with it just for practice sake. Okay, now too many possibilities. Okay, that's why we need an IR. Okay, some of you were like, why you have to do this? You have an IR just for your practicing. You can do all of this. All right. Let's take a look at IR. Okay, help us so much. In IR, tell you what you get. You have an sp3ch. Okay, nothing on here. Aromatic ring, no. If this were an aromatic compound like a benzene, DOU gotta be 4. We can't have DOU of 4. Okay, it's two less carbon, too little carbon. But what's really clear, we have 17, 16. What does it mean? You have a carbonyl compound, C double bond or CO double bond. Okay, this is not an aldehyde. Gotta be a ketone. Here we go. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay. All right. So at this point, so you have IR, you have DOU, degree of unsaturation, you have mass spec. The next one, we're gonna add even more clearer technique we call carbon NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance. All right. I'll see you in class.